Welcome to Geraldine Bernales YouTube channel. I'm your little girl vlogger inspiring in Bohol. We have travels, tutorials, and more vlogs. Always remember to subscribe. Hi everyone! For today's vlog, magluluto po yung sis ko ng snack namin for today. Nag-prepare po siya ng seasonings like garlic, onion, and bell pepper. Then she put the pan on the stove. And she added an oil when the pan was totally dry. Afterwards, she turned on the stove to heat the pan. She makes sure that the heat was at low temperature to avoid burning the seasonings. She tests if it's already hot, then she put the seasonings like garlic, onion, and bell pepper. She sliced the seasonings into small cubes. Then, she mixed it thoroughly and wait until the seasoning texture turns into golden brown. Since the texture of seasonings already turned into golden brown, my sister added 1 spoon of sugar to balance the taste between sour and sweet. Then stirred it until it melts. Since the brown sugar melted into the pan, my sister added soy sauce with a measurement of 1 tablespoon. Then she stirred it. Next, she added a water containing a cornstarch or flour with a measurement of 1/2 tablespoon. She stirred it until the texture became milky. Then my sister decided to remove the pan in the stove for a while. And she continued stirring it. Then my sister added vinegar with a measurement of 1 cup. Then she mixed it well. So habang kinukontinue pa po ng sis ko yung pag-stir ng niluluto niya, ay nais ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin at happy 300 subscribers po sa ating lahat. So ayun po, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin. 300 plus na po tayo. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. So ito pong niluluto ng sis ko ngayon ay snacks po namin to mamaya. So first, sauce po muna yung niluto niya guys. So ngayon guys, she lowered the temperature to avoid overcooking. As you can observe, it boils now. So it's time to put some water, about 1/2 cup. My sister stirred it thoroughly. Then she added 1/2 tablespoon of salt and rest for a while until it boils. Then she stirred it circularly at an average speed. My sister added 3 tablespoons of sugar and soy sauce. She stirred it until the sauce became sticky. Just like this. So ayun guys, wala muna po tayong shoutout for this vlog. Enjoy lang po natin yung panonood habang nagluluto po yung sister ko ngayon ng aming snack para mamaya. So ngayon, when it's already cooked, she turned off the stove. And then it's already cooked, so my sister put it in the side to cool down. Then next, my sister will cook the tempura. It's a squid tempura guys. While she's waiting for the oil to boil, she opened the tempura. Then she switched the stove to high temperature so that the oil will boil faster. When the oil boiled already, she started cooking it. You will know if the tempura were already cooked if the texture became golden brown like the right side video. After it becomes golden brown, my sister get a strainer to put the tempura. Make sure to use strainer so that the oil will not stuck. As you can see in our 3 videos that's shown right now, it's already golden brown. So, it's already cooked. Here's our ingredients for our snacks today: tempura, powdered cheese, flour or cornstarch, onion, garlic, bell pepper, oil, sugar, soy sauce, salt, vinegar, and water. My sister put a sauce flavored sweet, sour, and spicy one. And she added powdered cheese to balance the taste. You can try to mix the cheese flavor if you want. I can assure you, it's very delicious. Perfect combination for tempura. Try it now. It's only part 1. Abangan nyo po yung part 2 natin. Let's eat now our delicious tempura with extravagant sauce. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!